So I am taking a next step video of the Playhouse Theater. I'll just do a quick pan here and then I'll point out some details. We are in the midst of the acoustic treatments and fabric stretch system and star ceiling installation. I've already installed all the speakers and got those all tweaked out. We've done tests for any acoustical vibrations caused by the room. You can see on the side walls we've got combinations of TAD panels, which are diffusion and absorption and some reflection, along with some absorption panels. That's what the yellow ones are. And then the blue is reflective material and also filler that will help the stretch fabric feel solid if it's touched at all. You can see how we have done, we've isolated the surround speakers and the ceiling speakers so that with isolation brackets, since they are inset into plywood, we wanted to make sure that it didn't touch or wiggle. You can see the reclaimed wood treatments that are going to look that are going to really pop with when the fabric is stretched on. It looks going to look great. We have wall sconces there, some more TAD panels and absorptive panels. And the other surrounds. Inset in basically 4 locations in the room are subwoofers along with our surrounds. If we look at the front wall, we have our 5 front speakers. Normal systems have 3 fronts, left, center, and right. In this case, we have a center left and a center right along with the left and right speakers. And that allows for a wider sound stage and a smoother panning between left and right functions. The screen, as you can see, the black frame is around there, so it's pretty sizable. We're going to have also acoustic treatments up in what we're calling the eyebrow section of the front. And as we turn around and look back towards the room, we see again the star ceiling, which is going to be covering the Atmos height and overhead speakers. You can see an arc diffuser, some more TAD panels, and some more absorptive panels. There are 3 risers. First of all, we'll have a row of chaise lounges and then 2 rows of recliners. There's also going to be a little dry bar with a fridge and whatnot, and it's also housing one of our 4 subs. Shades will have, windows will have blackout shades, so we can get totally black in the middle of the day in this room. And you can see the ceiling is broken up into 3 sections with these 2 big columns dividing it. There are 8 speakers in the ceiling for overhead effects, wrapping from front to top to back in the rear surrounds. Side surrounds, we have 3 on each side. A little bit different configuration. There's 1, 2, and 3. Over here we have 1, and then there's 1 up in the ceiling that our processor will make sound like it's right there, and 3. And you can see how the speakers are inset up there, so it's out of the way. And if you look back there, there's a little hole there where the projector is going to fire through piece of port glass and light up our big screen. Also, you won't be able to fully appreciate it, but our star field ceiling, you'll see it's starting to twinkle already. It's going to be massive, over 1,000 square feet of star ceiling. Different intensities, little twinkles every now and then. Very cool. You can see the massive subwoofers. They're 21-inch subwoofers that are going to knock you over. And that is the Playhouse Theater